Hi there, truck enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into one of the best diesel trucks of 2025, the 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. Whether you're on the hunt for your next heavy-duty truck or just curious about what makes this model stand out, you're in the right place. A brief history of the GMC Sierra 2500 HD shows its evolution into a top contender in the diesel truck market. Known for its reliability and durability, GMC has continually improved this model to meet demanding standards. Now let's talk features. The 2025 Sierra 2500 HD boasts a powerful engine lineup, offering exceptional towing and hauling capabilities that make it perfect for tough jobs. The truck's performance is top-notch, with a robust engine that delivers impressive torque and horsepower. Inside, the Sierra 2500 HD provides a spacious and comfortable cabin, equipped with high-quality materials and the latest technology to enhance your driving experience. The exterior design is bold and rugged, featuring a high ground clearance and a strong, modern look that turns heads on the road. Pricing for the 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 HD is competitive, and there are special offers available. Act fast to grab this truck at an unbeatable price and make the most of these limited-time deals. Don't miss out. Like, subscribe, and share this video for more updates and insights on the best trucks available. Unlock exclusive features and enjoy a smarter buying experience with the 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 HD.